If you want to get the best orbital sander according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide. So let's get started. At number 1 position we have BLACK+DECKER Random Orbit Sander BLACKDECKER. If you only need a random orbital sander for very light or infrequent household tasks, such as refurbishing an old piece of furniture, overspending doesn't make a lot of sense. The best-selling BLACK+DECKER BLACKDECKER earns raves for doing a great job at a rock-bottom price. The sanding speed is fixed at 12,000 orbits per minute, making this model a little less versatile than higher-priced choices with variable speed control. The BLACKDECKER features a dust-sealed switch to keep grime out of the tool, a Velcro-type system for holding the 5-inch discs in place, and an easy-to-grip rubberized handle. And at 3.2 pounds, it's quite lightweight. However, it does not come with a vacuum hose adapter or carrying case. The sander is covered by a 2-year warranty. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Bosch ROS20 VSC Palm Sander. Sanding is dusty work, but with the Bosch ROS20 VSC Palm Sander, you won't have as much to contend with once the job is done. This small but powerful random orbital sander's built-in microfilter system traps dust particles as small as 1/2 micron in diameter and has a twist-off dust canister that lets you see at a glance when it's full. There's also a vacuum hose adapter in case you prefer to hook the device to your wet/dry shop vacuum. But that's not the only benefit of this handy tool. It has a 2.5 ampere motor, which is plenty of power for most DIY tasks, and you can adjust the sanding speed between 7,500 and 12,000 orbits per minute to fine-tune the speed to your needs. The ergonomically shaped handle has a soft grip top and is just long enough to allow you to grasp the sander in a variety of positions, greatly reducing strain on your hand and wrist. Plus, it weighs only 3.5 pounds and has an 8-foot cord, so you can stand comfortably while working. The number 3 position is held by Makita BOff 1041 5-inch Random Orbit Sander. When you're tackling a lengthy job, such as sanding wooden floor edges, you'll definitely appreciate the extra front handle on the Makita BOff 1041K 5-inch Random Orbital Sander that makes it easy to use 2 hands instead of just one while working. That's a lot less fatiguing and gives you extra control when working in tight corners. Plus, this sander has rubberized grips and an ergonomic design to reduce user fatigue even further. But don't fear that you're giving up on power or speed with this sander. It has a variable speed control dial with settings from 4,000 to 12,000 orbits per minute, a 3 ampere motor, and a fairly large 1x8-inch orbit, allowing you to work quickly. Even better, the trigger switch has an easy-to-use lock, so no need to waste finger power keeping the power switch on while you work. There's a vacuum port adapter if you prefer to let your shop vacuum collect the dust, or you can rely on the tool's built-in high-capacity dust collection bag. Next, at number 4 we have SKIL 5-inch Random Orbital Sander SR211601. If you're looking for a great choice at a slightly lower price than the Bosch Palm Sander, you'll love the SKIL SR211601 Random Orbital Sander. At 2.8 amperes, its motor is slightly more powerful than the Bosch Sander, and at a maximum of 13,000 orbits per minute, it's a little faster as well. With variable speed control that lets you sand as quickly or as slowly as necessary, a vibration damping system to reduce stress on your hands and wrists, and a soft rubber grip and ergonomic design that's comfortable to grasp even during lengthy sanding sessions, there's a lot to love about this random orbital sander. The SKIL sander takes 5-inch discs, weighs 3.4 pounds, and is compact enough to fit into fairly small spaces. It comes with a 1-year warranty and 3 sanding discs. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Makita XOB01Z. Makita XOB01Z runs off a rechargeable 18-volt lithium-ion battery. You'll get 20 minutes of power on high speed and 40 minutes on low, enough for all but the most intense sanding tasks. The sander doesn't lack power, either. It has a 3-speed motor that spins the 5-inch disc at 7,000, 9,500, or 11,000 orbits per minute. There are other nice features as well, including one-touch electronic speed control, a dust-sealed switch, and an attached dust collection bag. And surprisingly, the battery doesn't add too much weight. This sander weighs about 3.6 pounds, right in line with our top picks. Plus, it has an easy-on-your-hands ergonomic handle. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.